Pinangarap ko talaga maging PBA player. And then, nung nandun na ako, parang nakikita ko yung mga national team na, yun nga, nagko-compete sa mga ibang bansa. So, parang dumating sa point sa akin na parang gusto ko mapasama sa national team.
Bilang basketball player, maraming pangarap si Jason. At kadalasan, nakamit rin niya mga ito sa takdang oras. Subalit sa pagkakataong ito, tila naging mailap ang tadhana para pagbigyan ang kanyang hangarin.
Nung nag-champion kami sa Tokentex, parang naisip ko na ready na ako pero that time parang hindi pa nila ako masyadong napapansin.
If he felt snubbed in any manner at all previously, that was with other national team coaches.
Maraming nagsasabi yung outside shot ko, wala.
The only question mark in my mind really was Jason's outside shooting ability. And I told him very early on, if he develops a deadly three-point shot, then the sky is the limit for him.
So, number one na nagano sa akin si Coach Josh.
Sometimes, after practice, during his free time, I think, kahit pagod na siya pa mismo mag-approach na, Coach Josh, trabahuin na natin to. Coach Josh, let's work on this. And I looked at his shooting form, it was good. His elbows were in, his follow-through was nice, his arc was nice. The only problem was his balance.
Castro lines up a three.
So, yun. Nakita naman nila na nag-improve ako sa outside shot ko. So, yun. Binigyan nila akong chance na mapasama sa national team.
Yusuf Castro fires a three. Yes, sir! Castro at the buzzer.
From day one that I was named, he was at the top of my list. Because of the offense I ran and the kind of relationship we built, it's always been Jimmy and Jason.
Sa wakas, nabigyan din ng pagkakataon si Jason na ipakita ang kanyang galing sa international stage. Ngunit sa kabila ng pagkamit ng ganitong karangalan, marami rin na nagduda kung babagay nga ba si Jason sa national team.
He is the perfect guy for the system and the offense that we run. So, you know, I really don't understand how some people could have any doubts about Jason's inclusion in this team.
I accept the challenge na mapasama sa kanila at the same time, ma-prove yung sarili ko na karapat-dapat ako dito sa team na to.
6 days to go bago ang 2013 FIBA Asia Championships dito sa Manila. Ito na po ang magiging huling silip natin sa ating koponan in their final run-up para sa laban para sa bayan.
Napatunayan ni Jason ang kanyang sarili laban sa import ng Kazakhstan na si Jerry Johnson.
Ito na yung game na i-prove natin na karapat-dapat ka dito.
Castro on the isolation.
Oh, yes.
Living up to his moniker, using his speed as the blur. He wants to take on Ponomarev. He pulls up.
Oh, yes, he got it again.
Yung kumpiyansa ko na parang doon na nabuo versus Kazakhstan.
Ford to shoot in the third. Doubler, all the way to the hole.
And nobody can stop him. Once he puts his head down, Jason Castro getting a warm applause.
Napatunayan ni Jason na hindi lang siya karapat-dapat sa Gilas, Pilipinas, kung hindi isa siyang mahalagang parte nito. Subalit ang tune-up game na yun, kung saan ipinakita niya ang bilis at galing laban sa dayuhang koponan, ay masasabing patikim pa lang. Dahil ang tunay at mas matinding karera, ang FIBA Asia Championships, ay paparating pa lang.